Are you recording now?
Yeah.
Awesome. My name is Micah Barnes, and this is Singer's Playground. I brought my friends Rue and April along so we can have a hi!
Hi!
So we're here just kind of helping you guys figure out some of the basics of singing. And this time around, I thought it would be good for us to look at more of the skull resonance. You know, almost every coach has their secrets about skull resonance. And, you know, there's all these different sort of opinions about how to warm up and how to sing technically correctly. But generally, you're always going to have some sense of that head resonating. And the one that's the sort of the quickest, easiest warm-up that I've sort of found over the years is the rrrr, the rolled R. Now, not everyone can do it. So we're going to find out if we can do it. But I don't want you guys at home to be like discouraged if you can't do it, because sometimes it takes like a long time to figure it out. So just in the air, like go, you can do it great. So that's good news.
French immersion.
Right. And for our Spanish friends at home, they're good at it too, right? But if you can't do it, don't fret. It's not like you can't. It doesn't mean you can't sing. It just means this exercise is something you might want to work towards. The tongue against the roof of your mouth. Right? Now what we're going to do is we're going to combine the breath that we've been working with, the big sigh breath, like big balloon breathing. Try one of those released into a... If you're doing it so that you're not constricting, you're going to feel that buzz in your head. How's that feel?
It feels good. It's interesting trying to keep the brrrring going.
Right.
It's that consistency.
Right.
So I started off and just kind of wanted to cut short
Right,
after a while.
right,
It's also
that's
my
right.
tongue got tired. So.
It's going to take time because the muscles of the tongue and the muscles have to kind of get used to the job you're asking it to do. Try a note, and for you guys at home too, try a note. This is like Mr. Dressup over the tickle drum. Big breath in, and then... And one more note. Great. How's that feeling? Yeah?
Don't do that right before singing, I think. At least not until you're used to it.
That's right, you don't want to screw yourself up. What you want to do is try this and use it as part of your warm-up. If it works for you, start laying it in like... Gets rid of mucus if you have a cold. Truly, it will work. Come in, I'll show you guys. You're going to start to feel it up through your entire skull. And that's a good thing, because what will happen is when it's time to go and sing, you'll have warmed up the bones of your head, and you'll actually have vibration exactly where you need it. Sound cool?
Warming up your bones.
Warming up the bones of
we
your
have
head.
a balloon and inner tube.
Right.
We have a monkey.
Yes.
We have vibrating face, and bones need to also be warmed up. So
Beautiful.
singing is a very, very strange thing, as I'm learning.
But clearly Rue has good retention, and that counts in it.
That does count, yeah. Thank you.
My pleasure. So we'll see you guys soon.
Bye.
Cool.
Nice, that was fun.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah.
As the years go by,